I'm going all in on number 8. Whoa, I just won $1,000. The odds of winning on a single number are 37 to 1, but the odds of making an extra $1,000 per month from one of these side hustles is much more likely. These side hustles require little to no experience and no degree. Becoming a resume writer and somebody who updates people's LinkedIn profiles. This could earn you anywhere from $50 to $500 per task. The job market is getting more and more competitive, so people are happy to pay for people's experience to help them stand out. Guys, come here. You have to check out this resume from this chick called Queenie Tan. It is so bad. She's used a bunch of random colors. She's got a photo of herself and she talks about herself in third person. It is so cringe. The job description includes tidying up people's resumes, creating a draft cover letter, and updating people's LinkedIn profile and optimizing it. And the skills needed to be successful in this side hustle would be professional experience, especially in a career or industry that is in particular high demand. Ideally, experience in the HR or hiring process would be a bonus. Next up, getting paid to test on usertesting.com. And usertesting.com is the sponsor of today's video. With user testing, you can earn $4 for quick 5-minute tests and up to $120 for 2-hour-long interviews. The prices are in US dollars, and I do have a link down in the description below if you would like to check it out and sign up to user testing. It's completely free to sign up. User testing is a platform that can help you make money by sharing your perspective with global brands. So this can include things like completing surveys, looking at different websites and apps, and also reviewing products and then sharing your feedback with brands. Whoa, there are way too many pop-ups and ads on this website. I think you guys could probably do less. To be successful in this side hustle, you would need computer skills and also communication skills because you will need to verbalize your feedback with brands. Signing up to user testing is really easy. All you need to do is head to usertesting.com, get paid to test in order to sign up. Once you've signed up and you've been approved for user testing, you can start looking through your dashboard and look at all the available tests. This is what my dashboard looks like, and as you can see, there are many different tests available. Some for $10, some for $60, and potentially more. Once you've earned some money through user testing and you've completed some tests, you can withdraw your funds through PayPal after 7 days. Yes! Earning money. Next up, becoming a content writer, which can earn you anywhere from $300 to $500 per post. Of course, this is just an average and it all depends on your experience. There is no shortage of businesses that need content writers to write articles and website pages for their business. Okay, so we need you to write a 3-page article about sewage pipes. The skills needed to be successful in this side hustle is writing skills and communication. Another side hustle idea is to become an English teacher, which can earn anywhere from $25 per hour up to $80 per hour, depending on your experience. There are many different websites online that allow people to teach English online. This side hustle would require you to prepare lessons for students. No, it's pronounced lead, not lead. I don't understand. In yesterday's lesson, you said it was pronounced lead. I know it's confusing, but they're spelled the same way, but they have different meanings, and so they're pronounced differently. And the skills needed to be successful in this side hustle would be some level of teaching experience, and a lot of websites and jobs also do prefer certificates. Doing website design and development freelance could earn you anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per project. To be successful in this side hustle, you would obviously need experience in building websites. I know it sounds really tricky, but building websites is actually surprisingly easy. Like I said, building websites is not that hard. This is another side hustle that I used to do before I became a YouTuber. $1,000 to $3,000 per website is the average that I've seen for a freelancer. However, websites can go all the way up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I have a business idea. I'd like to create a website that is like a mix of Facebook, Google, and Amazon combined. Do you think that you could create this website for me for $1,000? A website like that will probably cost more. I had no experience building websites, and I learned how to build websites by taking online courses. After doing these online courses, I found that it was actually surprisingly easy to build websites. And you don't actually need a lot of coding experience in order to do it, because there are a lot of visual builders out there on the market that can help you easily build websites. Becoming a website designer or developer will mean that you would need experience in WordPress and probably Shopify. You could also become a video editor, which could earn you anywhere from $100 to $300 per video, and potentially more than this depending on your experience.
Queenie, you owe me $50,000.
The skills you would need would be Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro experience, and potentially videographer experience as well. If you're somebody that speaks more than 2 languages, you could also put this to use and become an official translator. This would mean you will be translating official documents from one language into another language. In order to get Pablo's visa, we translated some of his French documents into English by using an official translator. It says that this guy has graduated from the School of Beekeeping. I'm not sure if this has been translated correctly. And this could earn you anywhere from $50 to $200 per document. In order to become an official translator, you may need to complete a certificate. If you're creative and good at illustrating, perhaps you could even become a graphic designer. This could earn you anywhere from $25 to $80 or more per hour. Really? I wonder how much I could get for this drawing. Some common tasks of graphic designers include logo design, social media graphics, website graphics, email newsletter graphics, website design, and ebooks. And the skills needed to become a graphic designer include Photoshop, InDesign, logo design, document design, and website design. If you love social media and following all of the latest trends, perhaps you could even become a social media manager. I love social media. I know all the latest TikTok dances. This could also earn you anywhere from $25 to $80 or more per hour. And this would include advising businesses on their social media strategy and also implementing this social media strategy for them. So it goes like this. You catch the, whoa. Okay, like this. The skills needed are social media skills, content creation skills, video and photo editing skills, and potentially paid social media advertising skills. Becoming a freelance digital marketer could earn you anywhere from $25 per hour up to $80 per hour, depending on your experience, and potentially even more than that. Marketing, and in particular digital marketing, is becoming so in demand nowadays. Why is oat milk so expensive? You would think that oat milk would be cheaper than normal milk or almond milk. The reason why it's more expensive is because of marketing. As you may know, my job before I became a full-time YouTuber was actually a digital marketing manager. I don't have a university degree, and I learned all of my digital marketing skills by taking online courses and looking at free videos on YouTube. So if I can pick up digital marketing skills, you definitely can as well. And this side hustle can be pretty lucrative once you do have some experience under your belt. When I was doing freelance digital marketing as a side hustle, I was earning anywhere from $1,000 per month up to $3,000 per month. The skills needed to become a digital marketing freelancer include SEO skills, social media ad skills, content experience, analytics experience, and email marketing experience. However, you could also niche down into one of these areas, and you could potentially charge even more for your services if you do have a lot of skills in one area. And finally, you could become a virtual assistant, which could earn anywhere from $25 per hour to $80 per hour or more. This would include tasks like replying to emails, scheduling meetings, proofreading, and data entry. And the skills needed would be computer skills and also communication skills as well. Give this video a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Your secret code word is hustle. Write me a comment below just so I know who watched this video all the way through. And if you would like to get started getting paid to test things, you can check out the link in my description below to user testing.